Welcome to my Greater Toronto Area Market Pulse December video update. My name is Sam Nijar and I'm a real estate broker with Royal LePage. Thank you for tuning in. This is my last video update of the year, and the update will focus on three important messages. Message number one is, despite the pandemic and time of year, the low-rise, freehold, detached, semi-detached, and townhome property market continues to be red hot. Message number two is, the high-rise condo market is struggling, and we'll tell you why. And message number three covers my early predictions for the 2021 GTA market. So let's get started by looking at some charts that describe the current GTA market. In this first chart, you'll see sales are up by 24% year over year, which is the highest November sales on record. Similarly, average prices are up by 14% year over year as demand for detached, semis, and townhomes continues to outpace supply. But listen to this and look at the second chart. Average selling prices are up by 24% since January 2019. Yes, you heard that right, 24%. Borrowing rates have been at historic lows for a while now, and I don't expect rates to go anywhere soon because of the negative impact COVID is having on our economy. What does this mean? How can you take advantage of these increases, you may ask? Sell now. It certainly is a seller's market for low-rise freehold properties. Unfortunately, the story has been different for high-rise condo apartments. Take a look at these charts, which show how supply is outpacing demand in the condo market and resulting in a drop in prices. In Toronto, supply was up by 194% year over year, but demand has remained unchanged for the most part, resulting in a 3% decrease in prices. In Mississauga, supply was up by 218% year over year, and demand was up by 24% only, resulting in a 1.3% decrease in prices. What does this mean? How can you take advantage of these price decreases, you may ask? Buy a condo now if you're an investor or a first-time home buyer. It certainly is a buyer's market for condos. Some of the possible reasons why the condo market is struggling are as follows. Investors are cooling off because of the Airbnb rule changes, because of the difficulty in finding good long-term tenants now, because of the perception that the landlord and tenant board is against the landlord, and because of the fact that the vacant property tax could be coming to Toronto soon. There's also lower than projected immigration numbers. People are also starting to realize that they can buy a property with more space outside the cities and work more from home. And finally, there's the COVID and lifestyle interaction. Many people don't want to be in high density spaces anymore because there's limited social distancing. What are my predictions? The increased supply, the decreased demand, and lower rents and sales for condos are likely short-lived effects from the pandemic. Once the pandemic is over, the cities will start to vibe again. We'll start to see more demand for condos. With regards to the low-rise freehold segment of the market, it's likely to stay strong as the underlying fundamentals of high demand, low interest rates, and low supply are unlikely to change in the foreseeable future. And finally, the federal government is planning on bringing in 1.2 million people over the next 3 years to make up for the current lower immigration numbers. This will surely boost demand for both low and high-rise properties. That's all I have for now. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this information valuable, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay in touch. Bye for now.